If you are wondering whether you should hire the services of a professional for your oven cleaning project, you are on the right video. In this video, we will talk about the benefits of having your oven cleaned by a professional. Once you have gone through this video, you can make this decision without any problem. 1. Time. The first significant benefit of having your admin professionally cleaned is that this approach can help you save time. Since professional oven cleaners are trained and experienced in this department, they can easily clean your oven in 1 to 2 hours. But if you do it yourself, you may spend one full day. So, the first significant benefit of hiring the services of a professional is that you can save a lot of time that you can spend on other tasks. 2. Effort. Even if you have a lot of spare time, you will still have to spend a lot of effort. Oven cleaning can bore you to death if you have never cleaned an appliance. Oven cleaning involves purchasing required products, wearing safety gloves, and reaching every nook and crook to remove dirt and grime. Cleaning an oven generates terrible fumes that may ruin your mood. Some people find these fumes unbearable. On the other hand, professional oven cleaners have a lot of experience. Therefore, they can spend less effort professionally getting the job done. 3. Safety. It is essential to remember that dirty events sometimes cause a fire. The accumulation of grime, grease, residue and leftover food may catch fire if you don't clean your oven. If you had the services of a professional cleaner, you could avoid these risks and be on the safe side. 4. Performance. The buildup of grease and grime may cause your oven to malfunction. For example, your oven will take too much time to heat up. In some cases, it will not be able to reach the desired temperature. If you hire the services of a professional cleaner, you can avoid these performance issues. If your oven does not work correctly, it will consume more energy without optimum performance. Therefore, we suggest you hire a professional's services if you want to keep your oven working flawlessly. 5. Longevity. Professional oven cleaners can thoroughly clean your oven. They can set aside all the removable parts to access all the areas to remove grease and grime. The thing is that grease and grime can cause damage to the essential components of your oven over time. As a result, you can increase the lifespan of your unit. After all, you don't want to end up making this purchase over and over again. 6. Appearance. Like most people, you want your appliances to look great. In other words, you don't want your oven to look dirty all the time, as it can have a negative impact on the look and feel of your house. Therefore, you may want to hire the services of professional cleaners to ensure your oven looks neat and clean at all times. 7. Smell. Apart from the appearance, the smell of your oven is also essential. If you don't clean your oven regularly, it will start stinking, and you will have to tolerate this smell every time you cook in the kitchen. Even if you get used to this stink, your visitors won't. So, if you hire professional cleaners, you can avoid this problem. 8. Cost. If you hire the services of a professional oven cleaner, you can save a lot of money. But if you follow the DIY approach, you will have to purchase expensive cleaning products and equipment. And this approach will be pretty expensive than hiring the services of professionals. Professional oven cleaning provides many benefits, saving time, effort, and cost. Based on these benefits, we can say this decision is worth it. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on how to deep clean your washing machine. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.